What we have here is a TAT Deluxe. A relatively old one, probably early 80s. Early to mid 80s, I would think. This one has odd blade irons, which are also full size at the motor, indicative of an older TAT. Because newer ones have the blade iron, the motor screws are almost symmetrical. Also has cane blades. You don't see that on TATs very often, or at least not on Deluxes. Canopy is a normal built canopy, and the downrod, for some screwed up reason, is 3/4 inch, which is unusual for TATs. That's the top of the motor housing. Note it actually has vents, unlike newer Deluxes. It has 4 reverse letters near the reverse switch. Interesting. Anyway, let's see how it performs. It has a cast iron motor in it, which is probably about 172mm in diameter, which means among cast iron standard fans, or TATs in general, are relatively weak. I believe older TATs had larger motors though, but unfortunately this is not one of them. The bearings are a bit worn. They're a bit loud, a little hissy. I'll probably end up replacing them at some point. Let's see what medium is like. Medium is pretty average. See what meat or high is like now, shall we? TAT is, or high is average. I want to say 175 RPM. 52-inch TATs are not particularly fast fans. I mean, it still moves air, but it's just not as powerful as other cast iron standard fans, like CECs or Taibs or View fans or so on and so forth. off the cusp now. The cane is a bit darker, I like that. Nice bit of character compared to your usual cane. And there you have it, a TAT Deluxe.